Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. YD100 reverse cylinder update. Well, only thing I did since the last video, I don't know if I mentioned that, I shortened these bars pretty short, but cut off about inch and a half off each side. I don't know if I showed it, but I welded some stronger dropouts on, just 1/8 inch steel, because the other ones was spreading apart. So I pinched them back together and then welded these. I ran out of weld, but I got them on both sides. And I got a CNC hub adapter with a 40 tooth sprocket. I just wrote it. It did a bit of 45, but I don't know. I really didn't want the 40 tooth. I want to get a 56 tooth, the CDH one. It's on Amazon for like $32. It's made to bolt up to this hub adapter. Took me a while to find the rim with a 1-inch hub in the middle, because the one I was running, the steel rim, it had it was real small. It was like smaller than 3/4 probably. But my dad brought me over a few bikes and one of them had this rim, so I finally got a chance to use my hub adapter. It worked good, straight. I got it shoved all the way, sprocket all the way up against the spokes there, as far over as it'll go, and it's pretty straight. But yeah, I'm gonna get a 56 tooth for it and do a bunch more off-roading videos, because I was basically slipping the clutch halfway through the trail videos. Figure with the 56 it'll be I don't know, a lot less clutch slipping and just a lot more climbing power, but get a better video once I get that. And it also fly through the certain trails I go through. I'll be able to go through them at a higher RPM and be able to like kind of like hole shot through them faster. But that's it. I did change the seat. I don't know if, yeah, I think it was like that in the last video. I'm gonna pack it with some more foam and rewrap it. Nice comfy seat. Just looks like shit though. That's it for now. And oh yeah, I don't know if I showed that. Put my dual pull thumb throttle on here. I just made a little spacer in there. This thing here doesn't even work, but with this carburetor I had to take out a lot of slack, and it works good though. But that's it for now. Stay tuned. I'll have that 56 tooth hopefully in a week or two and get a bunch more videos later.